A Very Long Dog. Story and art by Caitlin Casulo. That's me. This is Dog. Dog is very big. Dog is very long. Dog is so big that he wraps around the world. Twice. Right now, Dog's front is in Niagara Falls, New York. But where is Dog's tail? Is Dog's tail in Berlin, Germany? Nope, not here. Is Dog's tail in Cairo, Egypt? No, it's not here either. Is Dog's tail in Paris, France? No, it isn't here. Is Dog's tail in Rome, Italy? I don't see it. Is Dog's tail in Sydney, Australia? I guess not. Is Dog's tail in Beijing, China? Definitely not. Is Dog's tail in Moscow, Russia? Couldn't be. Is Dog's tail in Caracas, Venezuela? No. Where did it go? Wait, there it is. I see it. It was on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls in Ontario the whole time. See? Thank you so much for helping Dog find his tail. He is very happy now. The end.